Hey everyone, my name is Leo and this video is a little bit unusual. The reason being, I bought this. I bought it for my own money and this is going to be my genuine impression because this thing is getting old. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max and this is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'm going to unbox it today, and well, you will see my impressions about this thing from the perspective of a guy who didn't upgrade for quite a while. Now a couple of words why I upgraded. Well, the reason is pretty simple. I didn't upgrade for 4 years. I need a newer device for our dev project that you might be familiar with, which is PIEMESSENGER, and that you should absolutely check out because it's amazing. Also, this year upgrade is kind of great because it upgraded all 3 cameras in iPhone 17 Pro Max and Pro as well. So yeah, the new cameras is great because I'm using them for filming everything around, making YouTube videos and such. For me, this is the right choice, and for any videographer out there. So without further ado, let's unbox it because, well, this is an unboxing video and I will review it a little bit later when I will spend a little bit more time with this thing a little bit later. Okay, let's start, shall we? Ooh. I got the silver version simply because I think that the blue version or the orange versions are a little bit too much for me. So from more neutral colors you get less fatigue over time, so I would really prefer that. And the camera is not delivering this thing. This thing is quite amazing. I was skeptical based on the videos that I saw, but well, it looks much better than the previous design that we had for a while. Ooh, just take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright. There is a charger cable in this set, USB to USB. And a piece of paper saying that you no longer need a physical SIM card. And that is actually great because the fact that you don't need the physical SIM card anymore means that you have a little bit more battery in the phone, because there are 2 versions for iPhones this year. One is without the SIM slot card and another one with a SIM slot card for the countries that require that. So in Canada we don't have the SIM card slot, and it means that we have a little bit more battery for our phones. It's about 2 more hours of watching videos, I guess, which is great. And it's loading, and supposedly it has a little bit less reflective screen, but well, it's difficult to say if it's true because for me it looks pretty much the same as the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, pretty much the same, although my older phone is dirtier, but the reflection looks quite close to what it is. And yeah, well, my initial impression is that it looks much better in person because, again, I saw some videos and the video is not delivering that. It's kinda new unibody design. It's made of aluminum and I don't really like that because it's going to be a scratch magnet over time, I believe so. But at the same time, how it looks just as a thing in front of you, it looks great. To be honest, and I'm trying to be honest all the time, I'm kinda impressed to see this thing in person and how it looks and how it feels in your hand. Now I need about a week to test it out properly because this thing needs about a week to be tested, to take pictures, to play video games, to test productive tasks, to see what the battery is capable of and stuff like that. So I will take my time and I will return with a proper review in a week or so, because I just want to be pretty much unbiased about this thing, because I'm pretty skeptical about the progress that Apple has been doing so far, especially with that AI disaster and everything. And every phone looks pretty much the same year over year, because I'm waiting for a foldable phone from Apple, and I think it will be really a great addition to the lineup. But for this thing, well, for me it's a necessary upgrade, because I cannot wait any longer anymore. So yeah, we'll see you in a week. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time. Unusual video, I know, but I like tech and this is tech, so yeah, tech stuff. See you around.